Hello and welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through a quick and easy process on how to turn off vibration on your Mobile Legends game. So if you want to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To turn off vibrations on Mobile Legends game, follow the steps. First, open your Mobile Legends game like you normally do and make sure that you are logged in as well. Now from the main interface, tap on the gear icon or the settings icon at the top right hand corner. From the settings menu, make sure to tap on the basic tab appearing on the left hand side corner. Now, look for the option that says screen vibration or screen shake and tap on the off button right next to it. Soon after you do that, you can now go back and that way you'll be able to turn off vibration or screen shake on Mobile Legends. That is how you can easily do it. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.